Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new frame in Krita's animation timeline. First, open Krita's animation workspace by going to Window, Workspace, then Animation. This shows the animation timeline docker at the bottom of your screen. Make sure you have a paint layer ready and visible. Next, to add a new frame, simply hover your mouse over the single frame icon at the top of the timeline and click it to add a blank keyframe. If you want to copy or extend the currently selected frame, click on the Add Duplicate Keyframe button next to it. To add a new frame at a specific time position, right-click an empty slot or a current frame in the animation timeline docker and choose Keyframe, then insert Keyframe on the left, right, or multiple. Once you've added the frame, you'll see it appear as a box in the timeline. Click that frame to make it active and start drawing your next pose or change. And that's how you create a new frame in Krita. Thanks for watching.